So we're in chapter 4 and we're turning on 6PE. We're doing that right across the estate. It's a choice. Now we're in the chapters, which means that the route reflector doesn't have MPLS, similar to Superlab 2, but we do have ISIS on with both version 4 and version 6. Now because we don't have MPLS on the route reflector, we can't move the iNet 3 to the 6.3, which is what the IPv version 6 tunneling command does. So we do need this static in the iNet 6.3 to resolve the LSPs. And we're looking at that in the future, and we spend a lot of time looking at that. Okay, so we're going to turn on 6PE everywhere. It's how we're going to get our IP version 6 routes across. When we do that, there's just a couple of things we have to take care of. And this is exactly the same as Peer 1 in Superlab 2. And that is, it was all very well having the routes come in, the version 6 routes inside the v4 BGP from C1 and 2, C3, 1 and 2. Okay, but when the routes come back out of the cloud, we have to set the next hop to one they'll understand. Because if we don't set the next hop on the way out, it's just going to use the v4 interface, and that's not going to work. So we did set the next hop on the way in, but we didn't set the next hop on the way out. So we're going to do that now. Obviously, we've got two next hops. So on one neighbor, 010, we're setting IPv6 next hop 1, and .14, we're setting IPv6 next hop 2. Of course, the next hops are the two IP version 6 interface addresses, .9 and .13. So here they are down here. I've just put them down here to remind us.